those droplets run down and falls on the diesel, and then it runs all the way, because water is heavier than diesel, it will lie at the bottom there. So it's going to pick up, if there's any water, it will pick it up, it's going to separate it there, and then the fuel will go through to the lift pump, through the filters, through the injector pump. From the injector pump it goes to the injectors. Of this fuel, it's used to lubricate the injectors. Then there will be a little bit of fuel left, it will go back to the fuel tank. Right, so that's how they circle. This pump was in the region of 130,000 rand, that one. That diesel pump there. So that's why you've got to check if there's any water in there in the morning. Because if water goes into this diesel pump, it's going to damage it. Right. Some guys, they think they can steal diesel and then they throw water in it. They steal diesel and they fill up the water's going to lie at the bottom. So you're going to run only with the fuel that's left in that filter, and then the engine's going to cut out because it can't run on water. And then when they drain this thing, they're going to see there's water here. Now they're going to start investigating, and then they're going to